Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we'll look at list methods. We looked at lists in general in the last video. Here I've just gone ahead and typed some commands. I'll go over them and then we'll run and have a look at the output. So here I'm declaring a simple list with about 6 elements, and then I'm using for loop to print everything in there. So you should see this. I'm appending Rachel in the end of the list again. So there'll be Rachel and then there'll be another Rachel. And then it prints list 1. Then I'm just counting the number of Rachels in the list. There should be 3 by this time. And then I'm finding the index of first Rachel in the list. Here I'm just finding number of Rachels, index of Rachel from position number 4, which is from here, right? And then I'm removing Rachel from the end, which means we'll have 2 Rachels. And then I'm sorting the list, reversing the list, and then I'm using pop to delete an item, and then I'm just printing an empty list after I clear. So let's go ahead and run this and just quickly go over the output. Alright, so here's the output. So it's printing all the elements up to here. So that's the for loop. Appended Rachel in the end, so we got 2 Rachels in the end. And then the number of time Rachel occurs is 3. Index of the first instance of Rachel is 2. That's that. 0, 1, 2, and index of the instance of Rachel starting at position 4 is number 5. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3 is where we started. 4 and 5. 5 is the position. And then remove the first instance. So after removing Rachel, which is basically used to be somewhere here, after 44, so Rachel's gone. And then reversed list is so this is in reverse of that. So the next thing is list1.pop. Basically it pops Peter, and then now the list has Rachel 99944 because Peter was in the end. The last item is pop removes the last item in the list. And then I'm doing a clear, and after the empty list there's nothing, right? I'm just printing list 1, and once we run clear it just leaves none. So basically an empty list returns or prints as none. So that's about methods associated with lists in a very high level overview.
To start a conversation, leave a comment to this video. Hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a video. Don't be a miser, share it with others.